Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro ginig ki khubor bamta kasni. Ki Samla Pule na Bhutan ni kinongwat niya ka Research Center for Bhutan Cross National Happiness Studies GNHS. Menha ka arpsaw turig unay wing ki Leit banya kynduh ya Syiem ka ki HADC uba Pyniaid sing Syiem. Ha ka jingwan lum jingtip na po ka Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council ki HADC ha ka bayadai ba ka rukam trekam jung ki District Council ha po Meghalaya. Kita ginong wat banya kila ay jingero ya ka HADC na marga jing penne bantip halor ka riti dustur kaktian ka jinglong kerpang kinong Meghalaya ka kuat ka suba bar ka jinglong try ya ka kynduh da kipat ba apo ka jilla. Kakencho dema kalabatai syakilat pathai kubor ke jingwan jongki syakki HADC kadiban tim kumno ki District Council hapo Meghalaya ki trekam. Banda kiyo ikabor sinshar yathu ka researcher jong ka Bhutan Cross National Happiness Studies GNHS. Kakencho kayathu ki nongyalam ka ki HADC asngothu bagidon katu kat ne ka jingya Syiem hapdeng kinong Meghalaya baginong Bhutan. Bar kani ka pelongsuk ya baro ban ngothu ya ki an tunrai ki bedan hapo kani ka jilla. Bar ki an tunrai ki bedan hapo ka rijongi. Na kaliang Chief Executive Member Syiem ka ki HADC ba Pyniaid sing Syiem uloong ba ka thong jong ka jingyalang ka dehi ban ya ngothu mar kaliang habaya dei bar ka jinglong kerpang gibriu hapo Meghalaya bad hapo Bhutan.
De nakaliang jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council benta kasngi ka arpsaw turik unay wing arjar arpulai keladon ka jingi kynduh ka bakerpang hang ni po conference hall jong ka office hakaba nakaliang ka jungi kum ka council ringkat ka jingi dan lang jong i deputy chairman i ba Charles Mangar nang ta i EM i ba Fantin Joseph Lakedong nang ta i ba Karna Sosyang nilayo ban pediang subha yakini ki guest ki jongi ki bawan na po Bhutan nakanika Center for Bhutan and GNH Studies ki babun ki diki researchers ki ba wat jingtip wat benya bha khamtam habidev ki policy matters te la penbet yakanika program ka jongi ban yakendo da ka jingya trailang nakaliang ka jongi kum council ringkat baka Meghalaya Institute of Governance kabala yalam de ba Ivan Swear ringkat ka tim gujungi bat kumju naka Asian Conference te kani ka jing kendo ka jongi bat ki kalong ba ki wan ban kwa ban tip kham banya shushu beide ki jing trekam jongki EDC hang ni po Meghalaya te khamtam ki EDC ki bayade ka benta habidip kariti ka dustur nadu ka sinshar khadar tanrai ka bingidon ngidon ka sinshar Syiem ngidon ka sinshar Raj ngidon ka sinshar Shnong te umtang kata ngilai keren ru habidip ka rukombat khendo bat siap ujungi hapo ki ADC ngilai keren ru habidip ka jing bat ka jungi ya ka klau ka betap hapo ka Forest Act ka bingidon ngilai keren ru shpang ka jing ya dei ba ka khui ka suba ka solid waste management nang ta ngilai keren ru habai day but ka yok ka kot jong ki ADCs let's say but QA nang ta kumno ngi trekam te ngilai keren ru shapang ka bor ka bla ai hangi ling ba ka six schedule habai day ka judiciary power lene kata ka bor bishar ka bangidon namau khasi nadu bodang dan hang ni basdang bandan hapo ani po ri ka jungi abangi wat jing tip ha wat benya ha nadu shwa bang ngin yo eka jing lai lu akari India ru ngi Syiem ling ba ka jing tho ki babun ba u khasi hi shim ladan tang kata kasinshar ri ladan ringkat ba ka bishar te kini ki ya ringkat ting lai yo ban kran shipun ke but kumju basutanat kalong ba ngi akran ya tai bha bide ka khuit ka suba ka ba nakaliang jungi ru ngila wat jing tip ha naka sarkar ka jongki ya ka bakal dan la ka jong sarkar hapo ka jing pe jong Syiem Bhutan ba ka Bhutan ka long kawe na ka jaka ka ba khoi wat ikini ki wa doi ki wa he ki catchment area ki tolong ki khoi ba tingi kali kumno ki atrekam kumno ki penankam ki ain ki bakumno la si ki ki program ki jungki bakila ban penek pensa kemarian tengi la yo benya slok markeliang la yo jimentoi markeliang lingba kan ke jing kendu jungi te bat nakaliang jungkiru ki la sungtenat ya ka bandan ni ka meeting ka kerpang ya ka ba kin yo ban tip kham ban ha spangka jinglong kerpang ka jungi kum ka jai ben khasi hapo ka jing kedup jongka 6 schedule ke provision ke kerpang haka artikel aspa sau ar but sispa nyu pusan way badai jongka constitution jongkari India but akan ke jingkran la penpahu na way na ki nomi khmat menena Bhutan ba hadin mengilayo benikran i penpau ba ni sngo kumba kadai ka ri lakajong kini ka ri khasi ke jungi lingba ka jingdon ni khasi schedule kamdai shu bangi hap apori India ne ha ka ri India te la sngap ka jing batai jungi la sngo kumba ni don lakajong ka ri te hendrei kata baro kadai tang namar bangi yo iki bor ki bakerpang ke jingeda ki bakerpang kat kum ka provision ka constitution jongkari India te kini ki deki kindat yo kwa man tip shapi.
I, on behalf of the team from Bhutan, would like to actually thank the state of Meghalaya and especially the Khasi Hills and ADC and also Asian Conference for this opportunity. We're very, very grateful for this opportunity, and we actually came here to take part in a conference that the Asian Conference is conducting. But coming here, we have learned a lot. Visiting different places, we have visited your district, what's that? District office, and we've learned about your judiciary system. We've learned about your the ways of your government, how it functions, how you have connection with your central government, about your culture, and moreover, I think we have found a lot of connection and issues that are actually mutual to both of your state and our country. So we hope that in future that we will be able to we learn a lot from our country as well. So I just want to say that let us learn from each other and let us try to implement what is the best part of each country and your state. And maybe one in very near future, in a very good future, this region will be one of the best regions around the world, and I pray for that.